Yeah, actually my problem nga sa Isola is because we have 30 people in Isola before. Now mga 10 na lang. Then we always clean it, palaging malinis. Ever since Pambi started collecting sa sandbar, hindi na namin nililinis. Although pwede, we can clean it. Why not? We've been doing it for what, 30 years? Since the 70s, 50 years. We've been cleaning the sandbar of Isola. Now, we don't clean it because there's a Pambi person standing there. But now you go to the sandbar and ang dumi-dumi. Where's the money going? We do not collect a cent, but we make sure every time you enjoy it, it's white and clean and walang dahon, di ba? But now, you go there, you can see a big difference. In fact, sa amin nagko-complain, hindi sa Pambi or hindi sa LGU. Nagko-complain, why don't you maintain your island? Yan ang problema.
Kasi nasanay sila nung kayo pa ang
Yeah, it's always pure white.
Very clean, no?
You go to Isola, you go to the sandbar, it's always pure white, sobrang linis. Pero hindi niyo nakikita na nililinis. Nililinis namin yan. We have 30 people who do that na eh. But now, we stop doing it because somebody is collecting money, but hindi naman nalilinis. Simple as that, di ba? So it's nakakainis. For me, it's a nuisance. They're making money but they're not doing anything about it, which is why I'm very against it. Wala kang nakikitang benefit na people are paying tapos ganun pa rin yung nangyayari. Di ba? If you pay, you get something in return kahit papaano, di ba? Di ba? So yan ang complaint ko sa DNR. Kinomplain ka na yun kay Gamel. Oh, wala pa rin. See there pa?
Yes, sir.
I told him about that. Until now, it's still dirty. That was before I became a counselor. I was talking na to Gamel, complaining about it. That was before 2022 pa. COVID kasi nandito na ako eh. I've been complaining about that since the pandemic. Since I live here already, naipit ako dito ng COVID, nakita ko yung difference na when we stopped maintaining the island, ang dumi talaga niya when they started collecting. Imbis na luminis, sabi ko, ay, salamat, meron ng bantay dito. Let's stop cleaning it. So, nag-retrench kami ng mga tao. We maintained na lang 10 people. We removed the 20 who cleans. And then it's dirtier pa. And to think they're collecting every day. Diba? So, where's the money going? Ba't hindi lininis? At the very least, cleaning, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng wag niyong linisin yung surrounding niyo eh. They're still collecting and collecting, di ba? When I go to Siargao, you go to the island where there's also collection there. Ang linis. In Siargao has a white bar. Beautiful, pristine. Manlinis. Bakit sa Siargao nalilinis nila? Bakit dito hindi? And this is more money than Siargao. Di ba? I see a difference talaga. Like, I travel around the Philippines. Nakikita ko talaga yung mga differences. I'm always in Batangas. I always dive there. I go to Sombrero Island. Ang linis. Bakit dito ang sama? Diba? I'm really opposing the whoever is managing here. Kasi dito nakikita ko yung difference. You go to Batangas, you go to Fortune Island, you go to any island there, pristine. Sobrang linis. Diba? Big difference talaga. And I'm not happy about the way things are here na madumi palagi. Yeah, anyway, that's my 2 cents.
Okay,
But I hope what I said will reach. Huh? Kasi I will not stop. I will not stop complaining. But anyway, thank you very much po. Pasensya na.
So, kaya nasa siya karon, karang buffer zone, mo na lang network.
Sige. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Okay, may kausap pa akong iba. The meeting has prolonged beyond kasi medyo hot yung topic. Tumagal siya because fisher folks are affected. We want everyone to be happy. The fisher folks must be able to survive. And then, kung nag-aaway sila, syempre, concerned kami. We want, na harmonious, 'di ba? Everyone is trying to survive here. Everyone's trying to live equally. Hindi pwedeng na may lamang. And sometimes, like the LGU wants to help people. Pero, hindi naintindihan ng national government is some of their principles are against yung opposite. Walang nakikinabang. National government lang ang nakikinabang because of their limitations on how to use the area. What happens is the national government gets to earn from Panglao about 1,800 a day, for example, per person who goes in that area. Pero yung mga tao, those who actually live there, they're trying to make money.